So today I'm going to show you how to embed a Google slide into your Canvas course. So that would be an example of what this is. This is so that I can add the pictures or add anything new to my homepage, and it would be live. So I wouldn't have to keep uploading it and changing it. I would just do it once and that would be it. So where do I even find these things? So I go to Bitmoji Kayla. She has tons of things. So here we can see Bitmoji, Bitmoji Kayla. You would Google it. So I just want to show you that I didn't do anything different. I just would Bitmoji Kayla, and it is the first thing that comes up at the top. So I press it and I will pick something. There are plenty of options, as you can see, tons of options. Kindness, cupcakes, donuts. Cupcakes is calling me. So you will need a Google account. Since we're going to be using Google Slides, you will need a Google account. You cannot see the picture beforehand, but I think I'm going to like the cupcake one. So I make a copy. It's going to take a minute to open because there are pictures, images. It takes a second. You decide that you don't like this one, you would just go back over here and then pick a different one and keep making copies until you find the one you like. So you don't like that one, you decide you want to do pizza, or you decide you at least want to look at pizza. You're like, I want to have food, so I'm choosing between pizza and cupcake. So we decide the pizza one looks like what I like. I'm going to delete Kayla. I'm very thankful for her images, but I don't need it. Sometimes there's that water bottle and I delete that, and that's for no reason other than I just don't want it there anymore. And you see, you're a pizza, this family, it's supposed to be cute. You're a pizza, this family. So you can choose to keep what you want to keep. Say this random pizza on it is not doing it for you, you just delete it. I don't usually add much, I usually just delete. And then to get words written on the whiteboard, we're just going to press insert text box and you're going to get a plus. You click and then you just drag. So I literally just click and I drag and I let it go. And then you type whatever you want. Usually it's going to be some type of welcome message. Welcome to Miss Drew's class. And you can type whatever it is you want here. I usually always say to center it. And for some reason you made the box super small, you just grab it and you make it bigger, smaller. You have that option to do that once you make the box. Even if you end up clicking too quickly, don't worry. So I made this. Oh, let's make this a little bigger. I usually try to make it about 25. Is 25 too big? Oh, 25 is kind of too big for me, but maybe 24. It will be at this time. So I do that, and then you can kind of play with the formatting. I'm gonna do Oswald just because I think that that is bolder and it stands out. So all I did was I copied it over, I deleted some images, and I added a text box. Now I'm going to press File, and I'm going to press Publish to the Web. And I'm looking for an embed code because that's what it's called. We're embedding it. So I'm going to press publish. You can change this to large if you would like. It just makes the image bigger. I think that medium is fine, and maybe you think it should be small. Again, you would just pick whichever one. I'm going to leave it at medium. And then I'm going to press publish. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to publish it? And we're saying yes. And we're going to say okay. You see it says press Control C to copy, or you can right click, but we're going to copy this. So I'm done with my Google slide. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go to pages because that's where I'm putting this, in a page. To add a new page, I press view all pages, and I'm going to add a page, and this is going to be called Embed Pizza. The title here is for you, not for the student. So whatever you title it, it should be for something for you to remember. So this is where we're going to put the picture. I'm going to press here. It says HTML editor. It is blue right above the box. I press it and then I paste what it is I just did. You press this rich content editor button and you're going to see that now you have your image. You press save and publish. And this is not your home page until you make it your front page. So right here, it doesn't say anything. That's how I know it's not my front page. You press the three dots next to Immersive Reader. You press use as front page, and now I know that's my front page. Now, your settings do not automatically put it as your home page. You have to press choose home page, and then you're going to make it pages front page. So that means of all the pages you have, the one that says your front page is that. So even if you forgot to do it, it would go here and change it. And then it lets you choose from these options. Again, you would just make it your front page. But I like the pizza. Now, you may be saying, why am I going through all this work to embed it? The reason we embed is so that it is live. I know I mentioned it, but I want to show you what live means. If it would let me move from where I'm currently am. I just refreshed because my computer froze, and that's usually a good place to be. When we're using Google, it's in a cloud, so it saves automatically. You don't have to worry about losing it. Just refresh or press back, you're okay. So say I want to add anything. Let's say I want to add have a good day. So we can see right here, it says welcome to Miss Taru's class, and I updated it here in my Google slide. When I press home again, now my have a good day is there. So every time you edit it in your Google slide, it's going to happen automatically here.